Hi, I'm Rachel Vitullo and welcome to How To Hair. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how I create a glamour wave on my own hair. To see how I prep for this look, head on over to how I blow dry my own hair tutorial. When creating a curl in your hair, sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to reach the back of your head. So my best advice when creating any curl in your hair is taking your section where you part your hair and continuing that all the way down into the nape of the neck. So you're splitting your sections into two. We're going to clip one section away and work with the left side. I find that if you split your hair into two sections and you work your way up in horizontal sections, it makes life so much easier to reach the back of your head. Our first section is going to be at the nape of the neck, 3/4 way up the ear. What we want to do is clip the hair that we're not working with really well away so it doesn't interfere with our section. Using our tong, we're going to open our clamp, rotate the tong away from my face and close the clamp. What that's going to do is make sure there's no indentation in the hair when you're creating curl. We're going to rotate the tong 360 so that clamp is facing the front again, and then we're going to loop that out. We're going to continue that section all the way down to the tip. When creating a glamour wave, the best thing to do is make sure that you have the same amount of hair each time that you're curling. What that's going to do is make sure that everything is uniform before you comb out. Taking our next section just above the ear and rotating the tong in a 360 motion and then looping that top end out. And we're just going to continue that all the way to the tip. When working with the back of the head, if you push the hair forward, you're going to be able to reach that section so much easier. Dropping our top section down, and we're just going to continue with that motion. Now that left section is complete, we're going to head on over to the right side. Once all your curling is complete, you want to make sure that you let all your curls cool down before raking out. Taking my wide tooth comb from 11 Australia, we're going to rake through the curls from roots to tips. To set all of this in place, I'm going to take 11 Australia's Give Me Hold Flexible Hairspray, and I'm going to spray from root to tip. When you are using a hairspray, making sure that you spray in short, sharp squirts from roots to tips, what that's going to do is just make sure that you get that hairspray evenly throughout. Once you've sprayed your hairspray in your hair, taking your wide tooth comb again, we're just going to re-rake through the hair just to soften the hairspray. We still want this look to be smooth, so by raking through that hairspray, it adds a softness. That is how I create a glamour wave on my own hair. Good? Good.